This is another easy and yummy fried rice recipe. I'm Tess, and tonight I'm making a spicy Thai shrimp fried rice. You are going to enjoy this fried rice sauce with a secret ingredient that gives this dish a rich shrimp taste. Stay tuned. I have a pound of clean, raw 1620 shrimp, and I'm adding a pinch of salt, a sprinkle of white pepper, and a drizzle of sesame oil, giving that a good mix and marinating for 30 minutes, and that's enough time to get everything prepped and ready. Now for the sauce. I have 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and oyster sauce. And this is the secret ingredient, shrimp paste. This is shrimp paste with bean oil, and you can find it at your local Asian market. It has a rich, salty taste, and a little goes a long way. I'm adding in 1 teaspoon. If you don't have shrimp paste available, you can substitute with 1 tablespoon of fish sauce. And this is juice of half of a lime. And to balance out the salty and sour, I'm adding in 1 tablespoon of sugar, giving that a good mix and setting to the side. I have everything prepped, and we are ready to cook. First, I'm cooking the shrimp. In a skillet on medium-high heat, I'm adding in a little oil to coat the bottom, and then adding in the shrimp. I'm cooking the shrimp for a couple minutes on each side, or until done, and then removing from the pan. Just a reminder that I will leave the recipe and the list of ingredients for this spicy Thai fried rice below this video. Also remember to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video recipe, and click the bell to make sure you receive notification of all my future video recipes. In the same pan on medium heat, I'm adding in the minced garlic and ginger. You should have at least 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil left on the bottom of the pan, and if you don't, you can add more. For the spicy, I have about 4 small chopped red chilies. You can make this as spicy as you like. Cooking and stirring for about 30 seconds, and then adding in 1 cup of finely diced onion and about 1.5 cups of diced cabbage. I love the texture and flavor of cabbage in a stir fry, and if you can get it at your Asian market, Napa cabbage is good to use. Cooking and stirring for 5 to 8 minutes or until the cabbage and onions are tender. I have 4 cups of cooked jasmine rice. I made this rice yesterday and refrigerated overnight. This helps separate the rice grains and prevents rice clumping when stir frying. I'm adding in all the shrimp and juices and pouring over my sauce. Cooking and stirring till everything is incorporated, and this will take a couple minutes. Just take your time. Here is the highlight and the brightness of this dish. This is about 1 cup of fresh Thai basil, and no, there is no substitute. I'm also adding in a couple more whole red chilies, giving 1 more good stir, and it's ready to eat. This spicy Thai shrimp fried rice is so good and addicting. And to top it off, a crispy fried egg, giving it another pop of flavor at the end with a squeeze of lime. This is an easy Thai fried rice. Lots of flavor and brightness with the right balance of spicy, salty, sweet, and sour. I hope you give this spicy Thai shrimp fried rice a try and enjoy. If you like this video recipe, please hit the like and subscribe button. Remember to hit the bell next to the subscribe to make sure that you get my future video recipes. You can also find me on Facebook and at my website. Feel free to share this recipe and my channel with your friends and family. And until next time, much love!